Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having a backup and restore operation fails followed by the error code 0x80070057. An internal error has occurred, the parameter is incorrect, or the system restores did not complete successfully. Your computer system files and settings were not changed. Unspecified error occurred during system restore. Let's fix that issue, guys. Go to search menu and type regedit. Opens up registry editor. Click on run as administrator. Click yes, guys. Now in registry you just need to go to H key local machine, expand it and go to software and go to policies and go to Microsoft, and in here you need to go to system. If you have system, no problem. I don't have it. If you not have it, you just need to create it, guys. For that, go to in Microsoft, right click on it. After that, click new and key. In here you need to type S capital letter SYSTEM system, press enter. On right side you just need to note it, guys, where should we are going, and on right side you just need to right click on it and click new and devote 32-bit value. You just name this value as copy copy C caps letter, F caps letter file file buffer, B caps letter BUFFERED buffered SYN, S caps letter, C small letter CHRONOUS, I caps letter IO. You just did note this, guys. This one is I, not L. Caps letter I and small letter O. This one is copy file buffered SYNCHRONOUS IO. You just note it. This one is IO, I caps letter, O is small. After that, press enter, guys. Now you just need to double click on it and change this value data to 1 and click OK. And after this, go back again, guys. Go back it and close out of here, and you just need to restore your PC, guys, for make changes. Hopefully that can able to resolve your problems, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.